Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can install 32-bit applications or software on 64-bit PC. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, what you need to do here, you need to write and search, turn Windows features on or off. Then here you need to select Internet Information Services here and press OK. And then you need to wait until installation or applying changes is finished, right? Then you can close this. Then you just need to write Internet Information Services Manager. Then you need to click on your desktop. Then right click on Application Pools here. Then go to Advanced Settings. Then make sure Enable 32-bit applications is on True. Apply the changes, restart your computer, and then you should be able to do that. So yeah, that's pretty much it. If I helped you out, press like and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.